Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adenike Olakunle, aka the Scent Nurse. I've been a Google local guide. I'm currently a level 5 local guide. When I moved to the UK, I didn't know anywhere, and I had to use Google for every single thing. If I'm going to work and my house is not close to my workplace, I have to use my Google map, because if not, I'm going to get lost. So Google has been a great help for me. Today in particular, I plan to go to Stratford Center because I was told that I can get so many African things, and there are plenty stores where I can get different things. And I thought of, how will I get there? I'm not going to drive, so I'm going to board a train. I'm going to board a bus. So today I'm using the Google map. The Google map, I already checked. So the Google map gave me the exact time that the bus will take me to the train station, and the type of bus I'm going to board, and the type of train I'm going to board, the platform I'll board the train, and the time to leave my house in order to meet up with the train time. Isn't that wonderful? So as I'm going to be showing you how I'm going and how Google Map is directing me at every point. I'm going to do like a screen record of my phone when I'm checking the Google Map, so that you can see what I'm talking about. I hope you like this video. All right guys, follow me.
So I opened my Google Map and I typed where I was going, which was Stratford Center. So it showed me the station. So from my location, that was from my house, it showed me the type of buses I'll be taking. It gave me different options. So I checked the one that looked like straightforward to some point. I checked this was not the best option, so I checked another one. So when I saw the one with less changes, so I clicked on it. This was easier for me, and it directed me even the path I had to walk. So it showed even the time that I needed to get there. So I set an alarm to receive like notification to leave my house, so that I can catch up with the train. And it was really easy for me because there was reviews on the map that helped me. So I basically just followed everything. So I got into the train and I didn't know where to stop, and I didn't know the bus stops in between. So the map was showing me the number of bus stop that we were going to get to before my own bus stop, because I have once missed my bus stop before on a train, and it was really helpful because I could check my bus. This is Stratford Station. Okay, so we are going to Stratford Center, dear. The Stratford Center is just directly or adjacent the Stratford Station.
This is south. Yeah, I think it is south. Yeah, so this is the south entrance. I think if you board a bus, this is where you're going to be entering from. The other hand was where the rail station is, and Google just made it a lot easier for me to locate where was going. And when I got here, it was just practically filled with malls, I think, which I think is not a big deal. Well, because gbogbo àwọn store yẹn náà la máa ń rí ní Aro. It's just a few little difference, and maybe they have their stock up and they have so many things, but all the stores are practically everywhere. But for sightseeing and probably for some change of experience, sha. Yeah, so that I just want to see. I want to check this Primark. I usually buy stuff in Primark from my local place, so I'm going to check now if the price in Primark is actually the same everywhere in all of their stores, whether location is different or not. So this is what I'm going to be doing here. This is Primark in Stratford. Apple.
They are alone in the shop.
So there's even a cinema inside Westfield. Oh, of course, it might not be your local film. Jelly called Lily Jenny. So I'm at the Westfield, and I can see that they have different types of kitchens, restaurants. I mean, from Italian to Indian to African, South African, as in, I don't know, but they have quite a lot. So I just ate at Nando's because I wanted something hot. And if you look down, plenty people. Oh, I'm afraid of height, darling. So they put a pickpocket alert in one of their places. So be careful when you go to Stratford, Westfield. Don't keep your phone at the back. Okay, guys. So currently I'm in front of the London Stadium, the West Ham United, and that's actually the last place I went during this my Stratford tour. So I can tell you that there are several reasons why you should visit Stratford, and you can use Google Map to navigate your way, and of course it's easier to locate anywhere you are going once you are inside the Stratford Center or you are at Westfield. They are really close together. There are many shops there. If you have money and you want to spend it, just come to London, Stratford in particular. So there are many shops for your clothing, shoes, makeup, whatever you can think of, skincare, everything. Even restaurants, African restaurants, Italian, Mexican, Greek, Polish. I mean, every single. I think I've not seen like local food. I'm very sure I didn't pay attention to looking for amala because I didn't want to eat something that I'm used to. So I just went to Nando's, which is a South African shop, and it was really sweet. It was really nice. If you would like to visit this particular place, you can make use of this video. You can use Google Map to navigate your way. Just put it in there. Say you want to buy something, just put it inside the map, and it will take you exactly where you are going, and even give you the bus, the train, or whatever, whether taxi, anything that you have to, your mode of transportation will be revealed to you when you type it in the map. Just to let you know, if you are also going to be driving by yourself, Google Map is still your best plug, because just put it there. It will give you the best route, give you alternate routes as well, and it will show you where you can park your car. Yes, so I hope this video has helped you. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it. And if you have been to Stratford, you have been to London before, and you have a different experience, you can also share it in the comment section. If you think that there is somewhere that I didn't visit and you think I should check it out, you can also drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Okay, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.